We believe in life. We're here for the ones that want to feel good, look their best and stay that way, no matter how old or young they are. The ones that want to keep playing, dancing, growing and living, to make the most of what life gives them, to savor each minute. We believe in science with nature. We've harnessed the power of plants and the strength of minerals since 1994, to be there for the ones who believe that health and strength go further with a bit of support. The ones who demand their nature with a touch of science, who like it natural but effective too. We believe in well-being. We are here for all humans being well, for the preventers to get it right before it goes wrong, for the solution seekers to look as good as they feel and feel as good as they look, for the believers to help and support and make happy where they can. We believe in getting what we want. We are here for the curious, the adventurous, the ambitious, the ones who take charge, who get what they want because they chase what they deserve, who live their lives like they imagined it today.